Okay, spring bulbs again, and the old favourite, narcissus tete, the dwarf flowering spring bulb. Now, if you used to plant narcissus talia, you are within a chance of getting it to flower for Christmas. So narcissus talia is a very early flowering one which could possibly flower at Christmas, but today we're going to plant narcissus tete, which will come in sort of the end of January. And here we go again with our pot and the hole in it. Always place a crock over it so nothing drains out, but it does let water also drain through. And in our pot mix, we're going to put 25% grit to 75% multi-purpose compost, and we're going to ensure that the bulbs are planted deep enough to ensure them to flower, and that's 3 times the depth of the bulb. So 1, 2, that's where the bulb goes. Doesn't matter if it's in a pot or in your garden or even in a field, that is the depth of the bulb. We're going to place the bulbs now in the pots, keeping them 1 bulb apart, as always, these very favourite spring bulbs. Just easing them into the compost at the bottom of the pot, and then we're going to fill the pot up with compost to the top. And these can go straight outside as they're hardy. Within 4 to 6 weeks you'll see some small shoots coming up, and then soon after Christmas the narcissus tete will be flowering nicely in your pot, which can go on a windowsill, possibly outside your back door or on a patio. And a health and safety tip here: when handling narcissus bulbs, it is also very important to wear gloves, as they are an irritant. I'm going to wash my hands immediately.